In this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn yourself into a 3D model. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase a convenient way to make a 3D model of yourself. Keep in mind that I'm not going to go into too much detail about how to do this from scratch because sadly, the nature of this video doesn't allow it. If you want to make a custom 3D render of yourself, then you will need specialized tools like Blender and other 3D modeling software, and for a video of this nature, I cannot go over that. This is for people who just want to have a little bit of fun and try to see how they would look in a 3D virtual world. So for this, we are going to be using Viverse. So go to viverse.com, click on Avatar at the top of the screen, and you will see the option to create a new avatar. Make sure that you sign up to use this service. You can use an email address and password, and you will be able to choose between all of these styles: stylized avatar, realistic avatar, retro avatar, and you have the option to import a VRM file. So if you have one of those, this will also work. So if you want to have a realistic look, choose this one. If you want to have a more stylized or retro, you can choose one of these, and you will be guided through the avatar creator. So they do give you the option to take a selfie, or you can select the option to use an existing face model. To make this video simpler, I'm just going to choose an existing face model here, but you can upload your own picture by using your face. If you go into the default faces, you will see all of them available here, and then you can choose next. You will load into this avatar creator that has a lot of customization options. So you can change your height, you can change your body, change the muscles that you have on you, and of course you will be able to equip accessories, change the face, change the clothes, and you have this preview at the left side of the screen. So use the left click and your mouse to look around and the right click to move up and down. You will be able to dress yourself up with many different clothes and preview them instantly. So all of the changes will be reflected at the left. It is intuitive to use, simple, and you have a lot of combinations that you can do. Once you are satisfied, you can click the save option and you will see yourself with a 3D avatar. As I've said before, this isn't going to be a fully fleshed out 3D model of yourself. However, it is still a very fun and quick way to see how you would look like in 3D. If you want to make a 3D model of yourself from scratch, then you will need to download specialized tools. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn yourself into a 3D model. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.